And Treasury yields moved lower midweek, today closing out just above 4.25, down about 6.5 basis points on the session. Taking a step back, we're down about 23 basis points on the week, and that comes after that big run up in yields we saw last week, culminating this week in 3 consecutive down days. Again, seeing yields close today at 4.25, down about 6.5 basis points. Now, the big news today was retail sales, which came in the morning a little bit stronger than expected. Then it was followed by bigger news, which was the Fed chair speaking. Fed chair didn't reveal anything new. He reiterated what he has been talking about, and that's the Fed can remain patient. They're positioned in a place where they can stay patient and wait to see what kind of clarity we get from tariffs and pricing and inflation and how that all feeds into policy. So ultimately, yields moved lower after the Fed chair spoke, closing out today at 4.25, down about 6.5 basis points. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. And you will see the volatility was lower early in the session prior to when the Fed chair spoke. And as the Fed chair was speaking, we saw volatility firming up. Now, it did still close lower on the day, but it was well off session lows. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, which means we get our in-the-moment look at the job market via the claims number. We'll also get some housing data via housing starts and building permits. Then will come the Philly Fed index, and it'll all be rounded off by a 5-year note TIPS auction later in the morning.